Operating a crane requires precision, awareness, and strict adherence to safety protocols. A single mistake can lead to catastrophic accidents, property damage, or even loss of life. At OSHA Education School, our crane operator safety training course provides the essential knowledge to help you operate cranes safely and efficiently while staying compliant with OSHA regulations. Worksite preparation and hazard identification, load chart reading and load limits, safe crane operation techniques, preventing power line contact and electrical hazards, emergency procedures for crane accidents. This course starts with worksite preparation, ensuring you know how to assess ground stability, locate hazards like power lines, and establish safe access for crane operations. Working near power lines, learn how to maintain minimum clearance distances, use synthetic tag lines, and ensure proper de-energization before starting work. Clear communication is key to preventing accidents. We'll teach you proper signaling techniques and the role of spotters in maintaining safety during lifts. Knowing how to respond in an emergency can save lives. Our course covers protocols for power line contact, equipment failure, and what to do in case of tipping or structural failure. By completing this course, you'll improve your safety skills, reduce workplace hazards, and ensure compliance with OSHA crane operation standards. Plus, you'll earn a certificate upon completion, proving your expertise in crane safety. This training is essential for crane operators, riggers, and construction site supervisors who want to enhance safety and efficiency. Don't take risks when operating heavy equipment. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the crane operator safety training course and get certified today.